In this video, let's learn how to remove Samsung account on your Samsung Galaxy A06 mobile or your Samsung mobile. Turn on your mobile data or connect to Wi-Fi and go to settings. In here, you can see your Samsung account. Scroll down and go to accounts and backup option. In here, click on this manage accounts option. You can see here your Samsung account email address. Click on it. After, click on remove account option. Then click on remove account. In here, click on sign out. Now the Samsung sent a verification link to our email address. So click on this send email option. Now go to your Gmail account. Now the Gmail app automatically opening. Click the link on your email and you can easily remove your Samsung account on A06 mobile. Now you can see ID verification successfully. Now my Samsung account is successfully removed on A06 mobile. Let's check now. Now I open my mobile settings. You can see we successfully signed out to our Samsung account on A06 mobile. If you are using A06 mobile or Samsung mobile, I think this video is very helpful to you.